Okay, I'm out here today. We're going to saw up some cedar, continuing saw up. I had to change my my blade here, but I wanted to share something with those who were having the same issues. We were having issues with the blade riding too far forward or too far back. You couldn't find the happy medium. So a lot of people have balancing issues with their blades, and there can be multiple issues, but I would say the most common issue is the issue that I had. Simply replace your belts. What happens is these belts wear down and the blade starts riding on this steel wheel. And when it does, you cannot fine tune the blade. It'll either ride too far forward or too far back. There is no in between. And you'll know that because you'll be adjusting it in the back, and as you adjust, you think you have it, and then it starts to run and it'll fall forward or fall back. So replace belts on both sides. And as you can see, this belt, it's actually raised above the wheel about maybe 1/8 of an inch. So this blade should not ride on that steel wheel. It should ride only on the black belt. Don't be alarmed if your belts are worn relatively soon too, because until you get your equipment fine-tuned, these can actually wear prematurely like mine did. I had kind of low hours, and I didn't feel like it was going to be a belt issue, but I replaced it and it fixed it. So it's simple as that. We replaced these rubber belts around this wheel and this one, and it fixed my problem. I didn't even have to tune it up. It was right on the money. If you guys have any questions, you can put it in the comments below and we'll try to help you out. We're new to milling, but we've had a few issues that we've had to solve. So if you've got questions, let us know.
We definitely are not experts, but my husband's one of those guys that can pretty much troubleshoot and fix anything. So as we run into issues while we continue to use the mill, I will record him with those issues and how he fixes them, so you guys can have those for reference if you have the same issues as well. If you have any questions for us, let us know. Otherwise, stay tuned, because the last issue we had was the blade kept flying off the mill. So I'm going to record you guys how he fixed and prevented that problem in the next video. Happy sawing!